Hey guys, we are now at the SJCAM booth. This is their newest camera or action cam, the SJ8 Pro. This has 4K 60p, which is making it one of the better action cams on the market because there isn't that many that can handle or can produce 4K in 60p. Also, it records in H.264 and H.265, so you can have it in like a pretty good new codec instead of like a lot of the other cameras which should still do H.264. The other things is it does still need to have a case around it, so it's not like that it's waterproof on its own. You still need to add a casing around it, but the casing that you can buy for it can handle up to 30 meters underwater. So that was mainly it, talking about the SJCAM SJ8 Pro. It will be sold around March because this is still like the pre-production version. And yeah, if you have any questions, please comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.